To the latest on the Clarendon death squad trial now. Today, the main witness insisted under intense cross-examination that he was present when Andrew Bisson was killed by members of the Clarendon police. He also admitted that he had mistakenly identified Corporal Kevin Adams as Chucky Brown. The witness insisted that Bisson was killed shortly after he was arrested along with 8 men at a garage in Cornpeace Hayes, Clarendon on September 5, 2011. He told the court that he went to the garage to repair his vehicle when the cops conducted a raid at the property. Defense attorneys brought the mechanic to court this morning to confront the witness. They then informed the court that the mechanic told Intercom investigators 2 weeks ago that he was not at the garage during the police operation. The witness, however, insisted that the mechanic was present and denied lying to the court. Detective Corporal Kevin Adams, District Constable Howard Brown and Constable Carl Buckner are on trial for the murder of Mr. Bisson. The witness testified yesterday that several men were arrested during the operation. The witness identified the 3 accused as the men who took Mr. Bisson into a house and shot him.